Hello and welcome back. I'm going through some old footage that never got posted due to computer issues, and then I also got long COVID, so I didn't do videos for quite some time. I have several videos from around the Chattanooga area that I'll be sharing over the next few weeks. Kim and I rotate weeks on making videos. I'll make a video one week, she does it the next week. So there may be something different mixed in between weeks depending on what she posts. So this is my week, and today's video was originally filmed at the end of February 2020. Kim came and stayed with me for a few days, and we took in a lot of sights around the area. We're starting off going up Signal Mountain. Signal Mountain is a suburb of Chattanooga located on Walden's Ridge. The southern edge of the town overlooks the Tennessee River, which is 1,000 feet below. The town was incorporated in April of 1919, and we're going to be going to Signal Point, and then we are also going to drive by the UFO House. Years before the Civil War, Native Americans used Signal Point to send fire and smoke signals across the Tennessee Valley. During the Civil War, the Union Army used it as a communication station. Signal Point was the key station receiving and sending messages from the besieged city of Bridgeport, Alabama, thence by telegraph to the north. Once Union forces opened the supply line in the city from Brown's Ferry on October 27, 1863, the signal station at Signal Point was primarily used for observing and reporting Confederate troop movements in the area. Today, Signal Point is a popular hiking destination, and it has an access point for the Cumberland Trail, which stretches several hundred miles across the Cumberland Plateau. Before the war, only a few families lived on the mountain, but as diseases struck Chattanooga in 1873 and 1878, several wealthy families moved to the mountain where they had pure water and clean air. Today, around 8,600 people live on Signal Mountain. This is a beautiful place to visit with great views of the Tennessee River. There's also a waterfall in the vicinity too. I could hear it flowing below as we were on the overlook. Before we left the mountain, I wanted to show Kim the UFO House. There's a house on Signal Mountain that looks like a flying saucer. It's difficult to video and photo because it's on a curve in the road and there's no safe places to pull over. When we first drove by, we got a little bit on the video, so I turned around and went back where it would be on the passenger side of the car so we could get better video. Luckily, we got stuck behind a semi-truck trying to make it around the curves in the road, and it was going extremely slow, so we were able to get a pretty good shot of it. It was built in 1970 by Curtis King as a bachelor pad for his sons with hopes that it would serve as an example of future-oriented housing for other like-minded individuals. You cannot tour the house, but if you go on Zillow, you can see photos on the inside. The last I heard, it was a rental property. Well, that wraps up our tour of Signal Mountain. I hope you enjoyed our short tour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned next Thursday when we continue recording history, one road trip at a time.